These are the cells. So at least you get let out to use the bathroom, because there's no bathroom in them. Ooh, scary, scary. Of course it is. All right, I'm going to the Jade Museum and I'm wet. So, wait, so the other side, is this?
No, it's here.
Don't make me splash you. Me, I'm just filming footage because I'm with friends. So we went to the museum, National Museum, which is there. We went to the Jade Museum. I would recommend, if you're in San Jose, Costa Rica, go to the Natural History Museum, not on a rainy day because half of it's outside, or you have to walk outside to get to each exhibit. Skip the Jade Museum and go to the Gold Museum. So we didn't go to the Gold Museum, might go there tomorrow. We just went to, it's so cold right now, we just went to an Italian restaurant, had the best mushroom soup, and then my friends had tomato soup and caprese, and the car just locked itself. So Costa Rica, people, it is rainy season right now, which means in the afternoon about 3 o'clock every day it starts raining, and it's pretty crazy. So we're gonna head back to the house and yeah, see if anybody wants dinner. So there's some other people at the house too, but they were dealing with some stuff. I got my passport replaced, so I'm happy. Very happy about that. So I am now officially, and I will show you right here, I'm officially on the grid, and you'll see it in a different episode of the whole debacle of getting robbed. So anyway, here's my emergency passport. It's raining, so I put it in a Ziploc. But there it is. It's purple, and it says emergency passport. So sorry, I just ate a whole bunch of like really good food, and so my mouth is like, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna head back, and I'm still soaking wet, but yeah, Costa Rica, fun. Been here for like 8 days now. It feels like I've been here for like 3 weeks. I'm like, wait, I just got here a week ago. How is it that, you know, we did so much stuff? But it was fun. Anyway, so okay, I burned my tongue yesterday drinking coffee. So that's not good. So I'm like, that's why I haven't really filmed myself in the last couple of days, because I can't really speak. And you know, that's devastating when I can't speak. I mean, I speak all the time. Anyway, okay, so I will see you guys a bit later. Bye.